guys, welcome back to the Richword channel. So here the things is little bobbins. They look pretty much the same, right? But trust me, just one tiny difference. Whether it's size, shape or material, and boom, your embroidery can go totally sideways. Today I will tell you about different size and material difference of a few Richword bobbins. So what even is a bobbin anyway? Is that tiny thing hiding under your fabric, feeding the bottom thread? Every single stitch is your top thread looping with that little guy underneath. Wrong bobbin, you will get snags, skips, bird nests, yam, all the fun stuff you don't want. Alright, so how do you tell size apart? What's the real difference between style A and style L? The size of bobbins isn't standardized. Sometimes these sizes are labeled with letters, which is why we have the three most common types on the market: A, L, and M. Style L is kind of the all-rounder. Lots of home and commercial embroidery machines love it, like by Baby Look Recoma. It's about 20.3mm wide, 8.9mm tall, roughly the size of a nickel. Lightweight, compact, super versatile, no wonder it's a fan favorite. Style A, also known as 15 class or SA156, looks really similar. Same 20.3mm diameter, but is taller at 11.7mm, so it holds most thread. Most single needle and regular sewing machine use this one. That little difference, big deal. Too tight it won't spring, too loose it rattles. Embroidery needs clean tension. Get it wrong and yam time to grab the seam ripper. Quick tip, not sure what fits your machine? Just check the menu or the brand website. Better safe than sorry. What kind of bobbins does Richword actually offer? We cover both style A and style L. So no matter what you are using, we've got all your covered. Even better, they are all prewound, no extra setup. Just pop one in and go. Super convenient and saves a ton of time. We use 17.5 Daniel/2 and 17 Daniel/2 threads, both around 60 weight, which work for most embroidery designs. The 17 Daniel/2 is made from high-strength polyester, so even though it's a bit thinner, it's stronger, more durable, and less likely to break. For dense or detailed designs, or clients who need a cleaner back, they usually prefer 17 Daniel/2. It stays steady, clean, and won't skip stitches. We have both A and L type bobbins in black and white. 144 pieces per big pack. One box has enough for most common colors and is perfect for high-value studios with easy restocking. If you need specific bottom thread colors, we also offer the 25-color A-type bobbins, great for matching your design style. Plus, you can choose the edging material that works best for you. We offer plastic, paper, no edges, and magnetic options. No side bobbins, no edges at all, and fully wrapped with thread, so they hold the most and mean fewer thread changes. Perfect for big designs you don't want to post. But hands up, if your machine needs edges to keep tension stable, this might slip a bit. Paper side bobbins are super lightweight and gentle on tension. They are one-time use and work great with machines like Brother and Baby Look. Plus, they are biodegradable, easy, and eco-friendly. Plastic side bobbins are a bit tougher than paper ones. Hard plastic edges that don't get crushed or deformed easily. Some folks even rewind and reuse them. They are great for dense stitching or faster embroidery speeds since their edges don't wear down, keeping tension nice and steady. Magnetic bobbins are made for specific rotary hook tension systems. Not all machines support them, so definitely check your menu before grabbing one. Are these machines really compatible? We have seen tons of customer feedback, and machines like Brother PE535, PR1000 Embroidery, Baby Look, Janami all work great with our bobbins. But hey, some machines don't take universal bobbins, so again, when in doubt, check that menu. When picking bobbins, just remember two steps. The first, figure out if you need style A or style L. The second, choose your edge type based on your machine and how you like to work. Want fewer thread changes? Go no side. Need better compatibility? Paper side is the best. Want to reuse plastic side? The way to go. Alright, now that you've seen all these, do you know which bobbins fits your machine best? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we love to hear what you are using. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next time.